welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Mom and Twin Boys channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mom and Twin Boys channel. So this video will be a Shein unboxing and also Amazon unboxing. Small stuff, nothing huge. It's not a huge unboxing, something small. So guys, I hope you like this video and let's get straight into it. So first I'm going to go with this package. Oops. Let me get my thing to open this because I don't have any fingernails to open these dogs and I need my thing. So let's get into this. Actually, this thing is short. This thing is short. First product is these Body Magic. How much it is? How much didn't take out some? This a little bit here. Let me see how much is supposed to come in there. 30. Are really 30 this? Okay. Feels so light. This is 30. Anyhow, this is a chlorophyll detox supplement. You know that it's good for your inside. So it's good for fresh underarms, fresh smelling breath, and fresh smelling private area. 1 capsule per day and it's 30 that came inside there. So I normally buy chlorophyll here and I would pay $40 for the drop. So I saw this and I was like, okay, let me try out this. This is TikTok I got it from, so I was like, you know what, let me try it because everybody was ranting pure good stuff about this. So I was like, you know, why not try it? So I'm going to start taking this right now. Next I got this, which is the niacinamide serum for Good Molecules brand for my face. Next thing is, okay, knobs. Don't know if you guys who are watching have ever heard about this, but I heard that this helps to whiten the teeth. So you just good amount in this, you know. How much coming in this? This feels like it's full. How much coming there? There's plenty coming there. Anyway, it's knobs. It says knobs. I turned my camera is on front camera, so maybe you guys are the reason why it's knobs. And I'm going to try it out also and see how it works, guys. I want white teeth. It has a lot of benefits. It's really good, and I heard that it doesn't have fluoride and it's better than the regular toothpaste that we use. And this is glycolic acid toning solution. I bought the wrong one. I wanted the ordinary one, and because me never read, me ordered the wrong thing. I had the correct one. No, I had the correct one in my cart, but it was for $20. And I saw this one for $9 and put it in the cart and did not read the label. So I'm going to use it anyway because my money waste. This is not the one that I want. I want the ordinary brand, and this does not. This no, it's not ordinary brand. A Chinese something. That's why it's very good to read. and that's it. So now I'm going to go in with my Shein unboxing, and the first item is this. I got, okay, I have a wig. I have 3 wigs. No, I had 2 and I bought 1 because I want to start wearing wigs. I'm being lazy with my hair. I don't want to comb it most times. It to me, it's like it's falling out because my hair is itching for no reason. It's not like it's itching with flakes coming out and nothing like or anything like that, but I'm having problem with my hair just itching me for no reason, and I'm trying different stuff and it's not working. I don't know if it's because of age or whatever it is. So I was like, look here, may I get lazy to comb my hair, and I don't want to roll it. The scalp is so tender. I don't want to put my hair on it. It's so tender. I don't want to roll it. I don't want to plait it. I'm thinking of maybe twisting my ear up sometime when I go home. I'm thinking about it, but I don't want nothing that is going to let my hair feel very tender because it's already tender. So I bought wigs. One wig, the first wig I bought, I wear it home once. I don't know, I tried to install it, it wasn't installing properly. So I am going to do a video with me installing that wig, and I think that little mesh thing that always come here that is supposed to be your cut, I think I cut it way too far, like way back, and I should cut it maybe further down, a little down from my earline. It looked like it cut too bad, but I'm going to try and install it tomorrow. So that is why I bought this. Yep, I bought this, a ear press comb to try. I hope it's working because I have these things. I'm gonna open them and try to find out if it's working or what. So this is so I think this is the part where when it gets in hot, you can.
Press it. Then how does it go? Then I go. Let's see it on. But I know put it on it. It's supposed to.
Put it on. I will have to look it up to know how to pick it up, and it has this to protect, and it has one power button, and it looks like it has 3 leather. So this is the wig. I wanted a 16-inch, but the 16-inch that I wanted, it was already sold out, so I had to go with the 18-inch, which I think it's too long because so my ear not this long. That's why I didn't want the 16-inch. So this is it, and it's a V-part. It is a V-part wig. It feels nice, honestly. It feels good, even though it's in a mesh, but it feels really good. See, it has the combs inside, and it has a extra plastic band if you want to tighten it or what. So, and it's a V-part wig, as I said before. So I'm going to try and install to know how I want it to look on me when I'm going home, or how it's going to look on me. So I'm going to install that short one and also this one and another one that I have, because I want it to look natural for me. If anything, maybe I wash it and like brush it out so it have that natural look. I really want it too curly. Now to learn to install my own wig. And you know what I want to? I also need some clippings to, like, sometimes you catch up your hair, you roll your hair, and you have the clippings at the back, and make those little styles. Some easy stuff, nothing too much. Now this is my phone case that I bought. The first one I bought, I did an unboxing with the first one, and it was too small, so I bought a bigger one. And this one fits. So I came with this to go at the back. and this the whole at the bottom like this, so it's going to look good. My phone is going to look nice. And I supposed to get a screen protector or a screen protector for the phone also. And I got these. What's the correct name for this? 3 packs, but what is it? I don't know the correct name for this, but you know when you apply your face powder or your setting powder, yeah, it is setting powder. When you apply your setting powder, you use it and you know, and then you tap it out on your face or something like that. You know, have these parts. I'm trying to get rid of them. They are getting lighter. So that's good. So buy this for applying makeup. And this is a chain. I bought one of these for my birthday and it got lost, so I bought back another one. Let me show you. This is a little silver chain. You can put it around your waist. So I bought back another one because I need one because I can't wear it to church. And this is some socks that I bought to wear when I'm going home, because I realize each time I travel and I'm going to the airport and I have to take off your shoes and all of that, I always have to stand up on the cold floor because when I'm in the airport it is so cold. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to start wearing comfortable shoes with socks to the airport. Each time I travel I found kind of ways to dress really comfortable, because you never know what will happen with your flight. So this is my makeup bag. Honestly, I did not know that this bag would be so big, because I really and truly don't have this much makeup to put in this bag, because as I said before, I am not a makeup girly, but it's really cute. I'm loving it. It's cute. What it says, Rose of No Man's Land. Yeah, it's really cute. So yep, I put in my, so when I'm going home I have something. I don't have to put away my makeup brushes and all of that. As I said before, it's not a lot, it's a small amount. And what else do I? Okay, this was the first when I bought it. Was a pink and it's too small, so I got the silver one. I got the silver one. So this is a pink, a silver one. I don't know if I could find someone to give this away to. Next thing is this, what is this? I'm trying to buy this thing. What is this? It's some makeup stuff. Oh, it's a setting spray. It's a setting spray. So I bought this to try out. Setting spray. Setting spray. Next thing, and I think that's the last. No? Okay, so this is to go over my camera. Because the phone that I bought, I realized that it seems as if it falls on the ground, it looks like it can. The camera, the back of the camera is like it's like a glass, it's like a glass. So I feel like if it gets a terrible drop, it might be the camera can damage. So I bought this to put over it. What is this? Oh, so this is wipes to wipe it off. Wipes, they give us 2, and this is what I'm going to put on the back. So it looks like I have to peel this off. So where's stick? Oh, there's an open. Oh, it open. So all this open. How this go? You say open. Open all. Oh. No, this one open but I don't know how I'm going to have to look this up to know how to put it on. Because I don't know how to put it on. Honestly don't know. And last but not least, you know, sometimes you buy your watches or you buy your chain or you know the anklet and those things, and it's too big but you want to remove one or two of the link. So I bought this to help me. I don't know how I'm going to learn to do it, but I'm going to learn to do it. I'm going to look it up and learn how to do it on my own so I can remove, take it out the box so you get it out. Be careful enough because one is too small medium. I don't know how I'm going to do it. I'm going to look it up and learn how to use it so I don't have to go to those places to get them removed the link. So this is how it's looking, and it comes with these little don't laugh, with these little small books. Jeez, I'm in all bend them. They're so tiny. I want to drop from where did it drop? These look small. See them? Tiny. So I'm going to put them in the bag. And that's it, guys. That's the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to, as I said before, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Mom and Twin Boys channel. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.